Today let's learn how to create Amazon Prime account or Prime Video account. Amazon Prime Video is a video subscription based service where you can pay monthly to watch all of your favorite movies and TV shows. To create an account, you'll need to open up your web browser and search for primevideo.com. Once you do, you'll land on the website. Now you just need to click on start your free trial. Now you don't need to pay immediately. You'll have a 1 week free trial, and after the 1 week is complete, you will pay $5.99 a month. So click on start your free trial. Now if you have an account of amazon.com, you can use the same account, type in the details and click on sign in. If you don't yet have an account of Amazon either, you can click on create an Amazon account. Type in your name, type in your email address and then create a password. You will also need to re-enter your password to confirm it. And then click on create your Amazon account. Complete this puzzle verification. Now a verification code or a one-time password will be sent to the email address that you've entered. You just need to type in the code and click on verify. Next, you'll need to add in your mobile number. So select your country code and then type in your mobile number and click on add mobile number. After you type in your mobile number, you'll land on this screen where you'll now need to type in your card details. So type in your name, card number and expiration date and click on add your card. All of these major cards are available on Amazon Prime. So type in your details and your free trial of Amazon Prime will start. And now if you don't want to pay, you can cancel it within 7 days and you won't get charged on your card. So that's the process of creating Amazon Prime account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more content similar to this. Thanks for watching.